So finally, Nsaber sent me the Anakin Skywalker lightsaber from episode 3. If you imagine, he had a big fight argument with Obi-Wan Kenobi and he got all destroyed and becomes Darth Vader. But it actually makes you imagine what would actually happen with his lightsaber, and I would have said it was destroyed and the kyber crystal was exposed, and that's exactly what this lightsaber is about. This is probably one of the most beautiful lightsaber that you could get from the master category from Nsabers website, and I think this is one of the most best-selling item as well. So enough said, let's get into the unboxing to see how cool this lightsaber is, shall we? So here it goes. Pull it out. We got the tool kit, the USB-C to a USB-A, and a screw as well. Lightsaber cover, plaque as well. Instruction manual, the display stand. Yeah, look at that. It's black and beautiful, just like Lord Vader's sort of armor, isn't it? Lighting pole. Okay, so that's the tip. Nice glove with Nsaber logo on it. And the moment of truth, lightsaber itself. It always makes me wonder what this is for. It's a very common thing of what you see from Anakin Skywalker's lightsaber. Maybe it's for aiming at something like a gun. This doesn't seem to do anything, but it's a nice decoration. Also here as well. I'm not sure whether this is in real life. You plug it in to charge it and so on. Allen key screw here, and the exposed kyber crystal here. That's really nice. It's actually smooth cut, so don't worry if you feel like you're going to get cut. And a grip, really fine quality of a cut, and you know, engraving as well here. Okay, top and bottom. And this, I presume, is for the switch, which we're going to try out later on. This doesn't really do anything, but I do remember seeing this, so it's all following through the design of the way how I understand it. And if you look at this way, this is definitely Darth Vader, isn't it? Yeah, the grip. There's, I think, a bit of a soft, cushiony plastic grip for Darth Vader, and this is very important, people. This is for, you know, clip it in on your belt, and below is where you should have the speaker coming out. Okay, and if we were to twist it out, yeah, there you have it, folks. That's the speaker. Yeah, and if you were to twist this out, oh, this is going to be so interesting, actually. All right, so if you pull it out, it's like a real life, isn't it? Okay, so there's the battery, and you can actually charge it through here. So it's much better than the Count Dooku version. You just don't need to worry about taking out the battery, charge it from here, and it does look like one of those components that goes inside the real lightsaber. And look at all these joints here. My oh my, how detailed and beautiful this is. And there's a switch here and some reset button as well. And one of my favorite parts of the design is this tip here. I don't know what it is. This cylinder sort of shape looks really professionally done. And if we were to turn it on, that's how it looks like. Okay, and the crystal of the force of the dark side and the Jedi side is struggling. That symbolism itself is beautiful, and yeah, you can hear the bit of a motor sound, but I think that's even better because it's emphasizing the damage of the lightsaber. I mean, I just love the fact that despite it's supposed to be a shiny chrome, it's portrayed as a very dark sort of Lord Vader becoming, isn't it? I mean, probably it's just a lighting effect, but for the camera angle and the light, it's making it look really cool indeed. Now the screw is all pushed in and I'm trying to pull it out and it's staying put. So it's a proper joint there. So it's all good to go. The quick run through is pretty standard. So to turn it on, you just press this.
Power on.
Power on, you can hear. So if you want to adjust the volume, you press the central one. And then you can hear the beep. So if you go
30%, 40%, 50%, 60%.
Okay, if you want to lower it,
50, 40, 30, 20%.
20%, let's leave it there. And then if you want to decide, then you just press the central one again. And that's the 20% volume on. So let's actually ignite the lightsaber. There you go. Okay. That's beautiful, isn't it? So ignite. And if you want to change the way how it actually ignites, then you just press it again.
Hunter ignition.
It's a hunter ignition. Okay. So if you want to close it down again, just press the top again. And then let's change the ignition again. Cross ignition. That's pretty cool. Okay, the other one. Phaser ignition. Yeah. Next one. Photon ignition. Check this one out. That's really cool, isn't it? Again, close it down. Broken ignition. I mean, this lighting effect seems a bit of an upgrade comparing to the Count Dooku one. I'm not sure, but it's really nice.
Machine ignition.
Machine ignition. It's a bit long, isn't it? I don't really like this one, but yeah. Close it down again. Next one.
Burst ignition.
Burst ignition. Nice. Next one.
Hunter stack ignition.
Okay. Again. That's hunter stack ignition. Next one.
Oh my G.
Oh my G. Oh my G. Yep. And the next one. Sorry about that.
Stack ignition.
Stack ignition. This is pretty cool. It's nice, isn't it? Next one.
Sputtering.
Sputtering ignition. Yeah. Can you see that? It's really nice.
Standard ignition.
And that's the overall ignition. So while the lightsaber is not ignited, you can actually change the voice and the sound effect of each character. So if you press it like that.
I am told it is the dark saber.
I'm not sure who this is, but
Master Money.
yeah.
General Kenobi.
Okay.
Quinlan Pause.
Yeah.
Reborn.
Reborn.
The Butcher.
The Butcher.
Temple Guard.
Temple Guard.
Star Killer.
Star Killer. Ventress. Leia. Ahsoka. Anakin. So that's Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Ayla Sakura.
Ayla Sakura. Double Bolaba. Oh, that's Anakin. And Count Dooku. Dark Sith Red. And that's Palpatine. Blue. Yoda.
Skywalker.
And so on. So the reason I'm not actually igniting it is because the rest is very customizable, but just want to let you know that's the overall voice. Okay, so once again, let's do a quick run through. So this is a standard ignition, and if you want to change the color of it, you make the lightsaber facing downwards and press the bottom button and then shake it. So this is purple, blue, light blue, yellow, very light blue, another yellow, purple, Mace Windu, white, another sort of white, bluish, green, a Jedi, that's a nice color there, a light blue, and a red. Okay, so that's how you do it while the Kyber crystal is in action. So that's beautiful indeed. Unstable. Okay, so that's very nice because of the Kyber crystal itself is making it, the sounds making it more justifiable. Pulse blade, rainbow blade, infinite blade. That's even better. Wave blade, fire blade. So that's the reddish fire blade, flash blade, crack blade, custom blade 1. So this is like a rainbow blade. Yeah, like that. Another custom blade. I like that. So that's more like an Anakin one, isn't it? Custom blade 4. Really nice. 5. Okay, wow. So there's like, okay, lighting going up and down. 6. So it's like a fire blade, but more on the top. 7. Oh, I like that sound. 8. So it's like a rainbow blade and also infinite mixed together. 9. Another rainbow blade. 10. Fire blade again. Obi-Wan, how could you? So it's okay. Clash off.
Flash off.
It's only this sound. Okay. Now, one thing I have to point out, and it's got nothing to do with Nsaber, it's actually good that they duplicated the original design of it, is the control box that sticks out. That's kind of bothersome actually in practicality wise, because when you swing it, you know, you've got to put a bit of a grip on it, but this sort of pointy edge of the four corner, if you don't grab it properly, it seems to actually give you a bit of a hard time. So probably that's why this rounded bit that sticks out is guiding you to hold it by using your thumb and swing it. But I guess if you want more of a grip, you can always grab it on the front as well. But then again, that's gonna leave a bit of a fingerprint on the front side of the handle, but hey, that's how it is, and so on. But it's just one of the most beautiful lightsaber that probably I'm gonna own so far. Also, another thing is that you can actually play a bit of a background related to Star Wars, and for the copyright reason, I'm just going to play it briefly. And the way how you do it is by pressing the back button and then rotate it the way how you ignite the lightsaber. Okay, so let's play a bit of a sample on it. Okay, and then you could ignite the lightsaber, and then you can fight with Obi-Wan Kenobi. I hate you! Okay, let's change the color of the lightsaber. I hate you! Yeah? So every time when I look at this lightsaber, I'm in great awe. The level of detail and the genuality of the design is just pretty much amazing. For example, this aiming sort of joint on the top looks quite genuine, quite common thing that you can see from Anakin Skywalker, the button as well, and the struggle, the suffering of Anakin Skywalker between the Sith, the dark side, and the Force of the Jedi is actually shown in here. That's just truly amazing. And this is the common design that you can see from Obi-Wan Kenobi, and also himself, Luke Skywalker, has this sort of control panel button. And lastly, this is my favorite bit, the stage of becoming Darth Vader, how he became a Darth Vader. So there's a lot of story behind this whole design, and you just get this like within a second of summary of who Anakin Skywalker is. And by owning this beautiful design of this Anakin Skywalker's Episode 3 lightsaber, I'm actually so happy, and this is going to be a fine collection of mine indeed. So I hope this video helped you understand how cool this lightsaber is. But if you have any queries, please do comment below. And thank you very much for watching this video. This is LJP Tech. All the best. Bye-bye.